Hi everyone, my name is Jason and I am here from the Carnegie Science Center. Now, instead of coming to you today from the Science Center, I'm coming to you today from my very own home. And I want to talk to you today about how you can study science right there from your living room. Today, we want to talk about meteorology. Now, meteorology is a big science word that basically means to study the weather. And I want you all to become the meteorologists for your family by looking right out the window. The first thing I would encourage all of you to do is to make a weather journal. All you need is a little bit of paper and some creativity. Each morning when you wake up, take a look outside and see what the weather is doing and add that to your journal. Maybe it's sunny, so you want to add some sun to your journal. Maybe it's cloudy today, so you want to add a cloud to that journal. Maybe we've got some weather and we've got a little bit of rain falling from the sky, or maybe it got a little bit colder and we've got some snow falling from it. My friends, each day add those different things to your journals. That way, by the end of the week, you will know all that happened that week. You will be recording the weather. From there, my friends, I want you to also try to use some tools to try and measure that weather that's going on outside. Today, we want to show how we can create our own rain gauge. Now, a rain gauge is something that we use to measure how much rain is falling outside. And all you need to make one of these is a bottle. Now, I'm using a bottle of apple juice that I found in my fridge, but you can use any bottle you have in the house, maybe a 2-liter bottle of pop, maybe some other kind of juice. First thing you want to do is cut off the top of that bottle. Now, this can be a little bit tricky, so make sure you ask an adult at home for a little bit of help. We'll set that to the side. We'll get to that a little bit later. The next thing you want to do to your bottle is we want to add something heavy to it. So I've got some rocks here with me. We want to add those rocks to the bottom of our bottle to make it a little bit heavier. That way when it's outside, it won't blow over in the wind. Now we need to add one more thing to our bottle before it's ready to go outside. We need to add a little bit of water. You want to pour that water in just until it covers those rocks. That way, whenever it starts to rain outside, that water will add on top of the water you already have in here. Kind of just gives us a point for that water to start. From there, my friends, we need to add something so we can actually measure the rain. So to my bottle, I added a little piece of tape. And on this piece of tape, you can see I measured out using a ruler some inches. I've got 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches, 4 inches. Add as many as you can to your bottle. And now finally, we're ready to add that last piece, the top of that bottle once again. We're gonna flip it over, set it right down on top. And now, whenever it rains, that will help pull the water in and it can fall right inside of your rain gauge. Now you're ready to set this outside, watch it, and see as it fills up with water. And you can see just how much rain you have right there at your house. Well, my friends, with just these couple simple tools, you can become a meteorologist for your family. Be a good scientist, observe, see what's going on outside, and measure so you can help yourself understand it even more. Well, my friends, for now, that's all the time we have. But I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.